Luis Rubiales, the former president of the Royal Spanish Football Federation, RFEF, stands accused of sexual assault and coercion stemming from an incident that occurred in 2023. The accusations, which Rubiales vehemently denies, center around an encounter with Jenni Hermoso, a prominent player on the Spanish national women's football team, following their triumphant World Cup victory. What began as a seemingly innocuous moment, a celebratory embrace quickly escalated into a controversy of international proportions, largely fueled by a non-consensual kiss Rubiales forcibly bestowed upon Hermoso. Initially, Rubiales attempted to downplay the incident, characterizing it as a consensual peck. This explanation, however, proved insufficient in the face of overwhelming public outrage and Hermoso's own explicit denial of consent. The subsequent uproar, amplified by widespread media coverage and social media condemnation, forced Rubiales into a defensive posture, his initial nonchalance giving way to a series of increasingly strained attempts at damage control. The Spanish High Court, after a thorough review of the available evidence, ultimately determined that sufficient grounds existed to proceed with a trial. Their ruling unequivocally stated that the kiss was not consensual and was a unilateral and unexpected move, effectively dismantling Rubiales's claims of consent and highlighting the power imbalance inherent in the situation. This judicial decision solidified the gravity of the accusations against Rubiales, shifting the narrative from a mere public relations crisis to a serious legal matter with significant implications for his future. Further complicating the situation was Rubiales's own public response to the mounting criticism. He dismissed his detractors as idiots and stupid people, a comment that only served to intensify public anger and further damage his already tarnished reputation. His subsequent apology, widely perceived as insincere and inadequate, failed to quell the growing storm of condemnation. In a desperate attempt to deflect blame, he portrayed himself as a victim of a coordinated campaign orchestrated by false feminists, a claim that was met with widespread skepticism and accusations of victim blaming. The incident has sparked a wider debate about sexism and power dynamics within the world of professional sports, prompting calls for greater accountability and stricter measures to protect athletes from harassment and abuse. The ensuing controversy has also raised questions regarding the efficacy of existing mechanisms designed to address such issues within sporting organizations, underscoring the need for comprehensive reform and a stronger commitment to fostering a more equitable and respectful environment for all athletes. Rubiales's actions and the subsequent legal proceedings serve as a stark reminder of the serious consequences of sexual misconduct and the importance of upholding the principle of consent in all interactions. The case continues to unfold, with the full extent of the legal and reputational ramifications yet to be seen.